Imagine gazing into the heart of our galaxy and witnessing the birth of stars in breathtaking detail. That's exactly what NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has achieved, capturing unprecedented views of the Milky Way's most prolific star-forming region, Sagittarius B2. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. This cosmic nursery, just a few hundred light years from the galaxy's supermassive black hole, holds only 10% of the galactic center's gas, yet produces a staggering 50% of its stars. How is this possible? And this is the part most people miss. Even with Webb's incredible capabilities, some areas remain shrouded in mystery, so dense with gas and dust that not even this powerful telescope can penetrate them. These dark patches are actually the cradles of future stars, cocooned in cosmic clouds. Webb's mid-infrared instrument has unveiled Sagittarius B2 North, a region teeming with molecular richness in stunning detail. Stars appear as tiny blue dots piercing through thick clouds, while the near-infrared camera reveals a vibrant tapestry of colorful stars illuminating bright clouds of gas and dust. These images aren't just beautiful, they're a treasure trove for astronomers studying star formation. By analyzing the size and age of these stars, researchers hope to unlock the secrets of how stars are born in such an extreme environment. But the mysteries don't end there. Despite its remarkable productivity, the galactic center has a surprisingly low overall star formation rate. Why? Researchers are turning to Webb's advanced instruments for answers. As Nazar Budayev, a graduate student at the University of Florida and co-principal investigator of the study, aptly puts it, for everything new Webb is showing us, there are also new mysteries to explore. Controversial interpretation alert. Could the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy be influencing star formation in ways we don't yet understand? Or is there another unseen force at play? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. One thing is certain. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we're reminded of how much we still have to learn about the universe we call home.